Men over 50, listen closely. If you've been relying on baking soda alone in hopes of improving circulation, stamina, or intimate performance, you may be missing a crucial part of the picture because by itself, it often doesn't deliver the changes many men expect. And for some, that becomes the difference between hope and frustration, between feeling progress and feeling stuck. I see men every day carrying a silent struggle, men who once felt strong and confident now lying awake at night, wondering why their body doesn't respond the way it used to. They don't talk about it openly, but the experience is real. The frustration of wanting to feel alive again while the body feels unpredictable. The mind is willing, but the response feels different. And slowly, many begin to fear that aging has taken something they can't get back. But here is what most men don't hear enough. Your body is not simply failing, it is changing. And chemistry plays a major role in how you feel, especially when it comes to circulation and energy. My name is Dr. Sophia, and I want to share a perspective that may help you understand what's happening in a simpler way. Before we continue, stay open-minded, because sometimes the answers people overlook are the ones sitting closest to them. Many men believe that improving blood flow or vitality requires complex prescriptions or expensive treatments, but in reality, the body is deeply responsive to basic internal balance. As we age, factors like stress, sleep quality, diet, and natural metabolic shifts can influence how efficiently blood flows and how strongly the body responds. One important concept often discussed is pH balance and how internal acidity may affect overall cellular performance. When the body is under stress, some processes may become less efficient, including the production of nitric oxide, a molecule involved in blood vessel relaxation and circulation. This is where simple dietary compounds like baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, are sometimes discussed in general wellness conversations because of their role in buffering acidity. However, it is important to understand that no single ingredient is a miracle solution. Real improvement, when it happens, comes from supporting the body as a whole system. In some wellness discussions, baking soda is paired with other acidic compounds like citric acid, which when mixed react to form sodium citrate. This reaction is known and observable, and sodium citrate is studied in various biochemical contexts, including energy metabolism pathways, such as the citric acid cycle. Some people describe feelings of lightness or improved comfort after such combinations, but responses vary widely, and scientific evidence regarding direct effects on circulation or performance is still limited and not definitive. What matters more is understanding the broader idea. The body thrives when internal balance is supported, not forced. Many men underestimate how much hydration, minerals, sleep, movement, and cardiovascular health influence energy and circulation far more reliably than any single kitchen ingredient. Still, the fascination with simple home-based mixtures comes from a deeper place, the desire to regain control quickly, to feel something shifting after years of frustration. That emotional weight is real. Men often describe feeling disconnected from their younger selves, remembering a time when energy felt automatic, when confidence didn't require effort, when the body simply responded. And when that changes, it can feel deeply personal, even though it is often biological and gradual. The truth Dr. Sophia emphasizes is that no mixture alone restores vitality permanently. However, supporting blood flow naturally involves maintaining healthy nitric oxide levels, vascular flexibility, and metabolic efficiency through lifestyle habits like regular exercise, balanced nutrition, reduced stress, and proper sleep. Some people explore combinations like baking soda and citric acid out of curiosity, noting the fizzy reaction that produces sodium citrate, but it should be understood as a simple chemical reaction rather than a guaranteed physiological transformation. Timing, dosage, and individual health conditions all play a role in how the body responds to anything consumed, and safety always matters more than experimentation. For men over 50, especially those with blood pressure concerns, kidney conditions, or sodium restrictions, medical guidance is essential before trying any supplementation approach. Still, the deeper message is not about powders or quick fixes. It is about the possibility of improvement when the body is supported consistently over time. Many men who begin focusing on circulation-friendly habits often report gradual changes, more stable energy, better endurance during daily activities, improved confidence, and a stronger sense of well-being. These improvements don't usually come from one action, but from accumulated lifestyle shifts that support cardiovascular health and hormonal balance. The emotional side of this journey is just as important. Feeling a loss of vitality can affect confidence, relationships, and self-perception. But it is equally important to understand that aging does not automatically mean decline. It often means adjustment, and adjustment can be managed with the right awareness and habits. Dr. Sophia often reminds men that the body responds best not to extremes, but to consistency. Small improvements repeated daily often outperform any dramatic short-term attempt. Whether it is walking more, improving hydration, eating nutrient-rich foods, or reducing stress, these are the foundations that genuinely influence circulation and energy over time. In the end, the goal is not to chase a miracle in a kitchen cabinet, but to rebuild trust with your body step by step, because the feeling of strength, confidence, and connection to life does not come from a single mixture. It comes from understanding your body and supporting it in a way that allows it to function as it was designed to. And if there is one final truth to hold on to, it is this: you are not finished, and your body is not beyond improvement. With the right care, patience, and awareness, many men discover that vitality is not lost. It is simply waiting to be rebuilt.